Welcome to Mechanical Designer. Please subscribe this channel for mechanical design related, tutorial related, career oriented and career development oriented videos. So let's go to our topic. Today we are going to do a static analysis on a bolt. Here is one bolt. We have made this in SolidWorks Solid Edge Part 3D, and we are going to make the static analysis of the bolt. Here first we are going to the simulation toolbar, then go to the new study. Before going to the new study, you have to give the material specification to this model. I am giving the material specification aluminum, that is more uh, elastic than structural steel. So I give the material to the aluminum, then go to the new study. When study, then select the study type linear static, then go to the mesh type tetrahedral, go to the OK. Then when you select this, then define the object. I am giving the object to this. Then you have to give the force direction. I am just giving the force to this plane and I am making the direction opposite, giving the force 20,000 kilonewton. Okay, then I am giving the temperature, body temperature, that is around 100 degrees Celsius. I am giving the body temperature 80 degrees Celsius so that it became more light material. Then I am giving the fixed. I have to make the fixed to this face. Here select the face, then select this face. I am fixed this part. Then go to the mesh. You have to choose the mesh size in mesh toolbar. I am giving the 7.95 or 7 mesh size, then click the mesh. Then they are making the mesh part. Please wait. Here you can see that they have made this mesh part. Then go to the solve option. When after clicking the solve option, they make the solve how much deformation will be happened here. Then go to the display option. When you go to the display option, you have some, there are the displays. You can also check the display option. Here you can see the meshing color bar. You can see the minimum and maximum marker point where the deformation has been done. You can see the where the minimum and the maximum in this option, and here the view toolbar. And when if you see the animated part of this, then go to the animation and you can see this, this will be the animation for 20,000 kilonewton force. If the fix we fix the lower part, this much deformation will be happen for the aluminum material. So here is the part. Please subscribe our channel for more videos and please comment. Thank you all.